In this video, I'm going to show you how to find the default username and password for your TRENdet router. Begin by checking the label located on the back or bottom of your router. This sticker contains a lot of important information about your router. Look for a section with login credentials. Here by default, the username is admin and password is x216acl. You'll need to input this login information on the router's login page. If you can't locate the login information on the label, you can try entering admin for both the username and password. Occasionally, the login information could be wrong. In this case, you must reset the router to the factory settings. If you want a complete guide on resetting your router to its factory settings, be sure to check out my other video, and then try to enter again. It will definitely help you. After resetting the router to its factory settings, you'll need to set it up again. Check the video description for a tutorial on how to do that. If you found this video useful, please give it a like and drop a comment.